Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a key part of machine vision, calibration target. VICO does not manufacture calibration target directly. However, we have a powerful network to help you find the best and high quality resources. Because of this, we have a highly flexible customizations. We know exactly what you need, whether it is very small size or big size, different material, or target combined with backlight. Your requirement is our standard. Another important service we provide is pre-shipment testing. Before we send the products to you, our team will do basic testing based on your exact requirements. Then we will share the testing result with you for confirmation. Once everything is okay, then we will arrange the shipment. This is what the value of VICO. We find the best product, control the quality, and save your time. We provide a powerful service